This is a stunning piece. If you want one piece in your house as a showpiece, this would be one to have. It's absolutely beautiful. When I come in for the close-up and you see this matching cabinet and the decorations on this machine, you're going to be astounded. It's incredible. And I love this huge brass horn. This is a machine made in Britain. It's from the Gramophone and Typewriter Company Limited, or what was later known as HMV. It's a Melba machine named after the singer, and it is the top of the line ebony finished machine that they made. It's named after Dame Nellie Melba, and it's got an Art Nouveau cabinet and style to it. It plays 12-inch discs. I mean, this thing is gorgeous. I'm going to bring you in now to take a look at it and see the great decorations. Oh, by the way, this machine was manufactured around 1904, 1905. They're hard to come by, and you can see why everybody might want them as a decoration piece. All right, let's take a look at this. The black is like a piano finish. It's just shiny. It's perfect. The chrome parts on this one in particular are in great shape. And look at that. The record on it is a Nellie Melba special issue record from Victor, Canada. Look at the sides. Each side has one of these embossed plates, gold plated, I believe. Look at that. I mean, everything about this is magnificent. And if you look, there's the HMV symbol and the cabinet. Look at that. Just amazing. It has a small drawer here, I guess for needles and things. And then this opens and there's space for records. Even the inside is finished beautifully. It's hard to find one of these in this incredible condition. Okay, the mechanism is a little noisy, so it needs some servicing and some oiling. And remember, this is going to be opera. Now, this isn't the best record. It's an early record. It's probably quite worn. So you can't judge the sound of this machine by what you're hearing now, because this can be a very good sounding machine.